During the winter every year, the tourism sector in Odisha gets a boost in tourist footfall. Visitors from many parts of India and abroad flock to tourist and picnic spots in our state. The Nandankanan Zoological Park is one such sought-after destination during the holiday season. As the winter vacation has already started, the inflow of tourists has increased in the zoo. Tourists of all age groups are thronging in large numbers to get a feel of the natural environment here. They are amazed by the presence of a large species of tigers, lions, bears, zebras, giraffes and other animals inside the cage, which is pretty much like their natural habitat. The zoo authorities have also made proper arrangements for the visitors like reverse osmosis or RO drinking water, refreshment centers and many other facilities. Now there are proper signboards and display boards informing the tourists about the animal present inside the cage as well as where to go if you are lost somewhere inside the zoo. The zoo remained open on Christmas, keeping in mind the heavy footfall on the public holiday. It remained closed yesterday, but since early morning today, tourists have started to come in to get a glimpse of the animals in the zoo. We met a few tourists inside the zoo to know how they feel and why they chose to come to Nandankanan.
I heard a lot about this Nandankanan, this zoo, one of the biggest in India, I think.
We are seeing so many people here. We came here with our little kids and they enjoyed a lot. So as we. It's a very beautiful place.
बहुत बढ़िया लगला एठी बहुत प्रकार एनिमल्स अछंती ए देखि के बहुत आनंदित हला किछि असुविधा नै
सर नंदनकानन आसीवर गोटे उद्देश्य होउची जे आमे एक्चुअली एटा जंगल रे देखि पारुनो ये विलुप्त होई गलानी वर्तमान आमे जाऊ माने ई जो माध्यम रे आमे किछि देखि पारुछन ताको.
We started from the tiger section. We finished it and it's really nice over here. I love animals and like I am interested in photography also. So I'm here.
बहुत इसके बारे में सुने हुए थे पहले से, तो घूमने की इच्छा हुई जिस वजह से मैं घूमने के लिए आ गया. वाइट कलर की मोर जो पहली बार देखा हूँ मैं, इससे पहले इस तरह के वाइट कलर के मोर मैंने नहीं देखा.
The zoo received around 24,000 visitors on Christmas, but the day before the festival recorded footfall of more than 40,000. Like Christmas, the zoo is expected to be flocked by tourists on New Year's Day as it will remain open this Monday. From Bhubaneswar, Chiranjeevi Pati, OdishaTV.in.